Hello, art enthusiasts. Prepare to be enchanted as we unveil a stunning fusion of nature and balance. Our 3D printed green yin-yang tree wall art. Behold, our latest masterpiece, the green yin-yang tree wall art. Inspired by the ancient symbol of balance and harmony, this captivating piece brings the tranquility of nature into your living space. As we zoom in, you'll marvel at the intricate details of the yin-yang symbol, seamlessly integrated with the serene silhouette of a tree. The lush green hues evoke a sense of vitality and growth, making it a perfect focal point for any room. But this isn't just any wall art. Crafted with precision, using 3D printing technology of Anchor Make Printer, our green yin-yang tree is a testament to the marriage of artistry and innovation. Each leaf, branch, and curve is meticulously designed for maximum visual impact. And there you have it, art aficionados. In just 1 minute, we've unveiled the beauty and tranquility of our green yin-yang tree wall art. Stay tuned for more breathtaking creations coming your way.